Today our lesson is about files and folder. So all application and operating system software that is installed in computer is made up of files and folder. So this is a file, this is a Word file, and this is a file. It is an image, but it isn't a file. And this is a PowerPoint file. This is a PowerPoint file. So the files, a user saved them or their work into something, we called it a file. We called it a file. And look here, this is the folders. The folder is consists of a lot of files inside and folders too and pictures. So the folder, it could be mixed of files and folders. Can we put a folder inside a folder? Yes, we can do that. Look here, this is files and this is folders. So the type of file are saved with file name. So we can give a file a name. Each file name is made up of two parts. Look here, of two parts. Let's open this file. From here, I want to see the details, properties, and you can see the details. Okay, this is the name. This is the name of the file. This is the name of the file. And we call this extension. This is the extension. The extension is the type that the file is named of. So the name of this file is screenshot 8. The type of the file is PNG. It is .png. So it is an image. It is an image. So the images is saved as GPG or PNG. Let's see this file. Okay, this file, it's a Word file. It is healthcare. Sorry. Its name is healthcare. What is the type of the file? It is Microsoft Word document. Look to the extension. It is .docx. It is .docx. Sorry. Okay. What about the PowerPoint? This is a PowerPoint. Let's see the details for the PowerPoint. His name is Portfolio Presentations. And what is the type of the file? It is Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. Look to the extension. It is .pptx. So the PowerPoint extension is pptx. You have to know all of three types. Okay, now let's look to the folders. Let's look to the folders. This is a folder. This is a folder. We said the folder are a place different type of files are stored inside. We can find files, another folders, and pictures. So the folder should also be named. So the folder we can give, it must be named. So this folder, let's give it another name for this folder. How we can rename the folder. How we can rename the folder? Okay, we can delete and write grade 5. This is how we rename the file. Let's rename the file again. Right click, then I choose rename. If I want to rename a folder, I choose the folder, then right click, rename, and I write any name I want. Grade 5 new. Okay. So what we call the folder inside the folder. This is a folder inside a folder. What we called it? We called it a subfolder. We called it a subfolder. Now we have to learn about the File Explorer. The File Explorer, where we can find the File Explorer. From Start, we press on Start. Then you can find the search here. We write File Explorer options. we press on it, you can see this dialog. You can see this dialog. Let's try File Explorer. This is File Explorer, sorry, not the options. We need the File Explorer. This is the File Explorer. Okay, why we use it? Why we use it? You can use the File Explorer window to search about any file you want inside the computer. You can write here the name of the file or the name of the folder you need to find, and it will give you the location and the place of the folder or the file. Look to this part. Look to this part. What we call this part, this is a left pane. This is a left pane. And look here. Look here. This is a back and forward or up. This is a back or forward, and this is up. This is move content of the File Explorer. This is moving these content up and down, and we can move them to left or to right. This is to close the File Explorer, and this is to minimize the File Explorer. Look here, I minimize the File Explorer. And this is we said this is the search box to search about any files and folders we want. Look here, this is the view buttons. Why we use the view buttons? How we want to see the folders and file inside the File Explorer. How I want to see the icons, a big icons or a small icons. And this is a status bar. This is a status bar. It is consists of the number of files inside our computer, how many items we have, how many items we have. And this is the address bar. This is the address bar. You can, if I press on desktop, it is changed. So it's give me an address, the address of the files on the computer. Okay, look here. It is changed. It is changed. So this is all the things you have to know about the Explorer window.